Welcome to Eoiin Connect. In this video, we're going to show you how to personalize Eoiin and make it your own. The first thing you may want to do is to add a profile picture to make it easier to tell who's who in the app. Go to the global settings by clicking the cog in the top right-hand corner of your screen and selecting Global Settings. In the My Settings tab, you'll see a default profile picture at the top. Click on the pencil in the bottom right-hand corner of the profile picture to select a new image to upload. It can even be a GIF if you want, to add a little fun to Eoiin. The next thing you might want to do is change your background wallpaper. This power is only available to admins, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The background wallpaper is visible to everyone in every project. It mightn't be the best place to upload a picture of your new puppy. Head back to your global settings and select the background settings tab at the bottom on the left. There's 8 default options if they take your fancy, but once again, you can upload your own. Hit Select File at the bottom of the page and select a file from your computer. Another handy personalization trick is something specific to each project. Jump into a project and hit the cog once more in the top right-hand corner, but this time select Project Settings. Under the Edit Widgets tab, you can assign a custom title to the status and key message, as well as each module. For instance, you might want to rename your Milestones module To-Do List, if that makes more sense to you. The choice is yours. But that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Eoiin Connect. Organize your projects, connect your team, manage your work, grow your business.